day. Do you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Annalyn Andres Anical, 29 years of age. I live in Barangay Sinipil, Kawayan City, Isabela. I have one brother and two sisters. I am the third child of the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 5 members of the family, a couple, and their three children at the ages of 9, 7, and 4. I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and gardening. And also, I work in Oman as a DH, and I serve 5 members of the family, a couple, and their 3 children at the ages of 29, 27, and 24. I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, and washing.
Okay.
And my main duty is to prepare their food.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will secure their safety, and when they sick, I will check their temperature, and if needed, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm an hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For a better future for me and my family, sir.
If you get hard, who will take over your responsibilities
My
at home?
sister, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, sir, and I will remind myself that I need this job for my family, sir.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I'm sleeping at 10 p.m., sir, and I will wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Okay, do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let ban in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And if they want me to stay, I will stay, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Hoping that you will pick me as your helper, sir. And I promise I will do all my duties and I will love your family as my family. Thank you, sir.
Okay.